What did you see today, and how do you feel about the process of organization the local government elections in Abkhazia?
Well, I am here at this polling station, and one of the first polling stations that we visited this morning. The situation is very calm. The organization is very well. People are showing up in small numbers. I'm happy to see the elderly people moving and vote slowly by slowly in a peaceful manner. I'm not seeing very many youthful people show up for the election. It's the early hour of the day. We hope the situation remains so, and more of the young population comes in to vote and participate in their democracy. So I hope the situation remains calm and more people come to vote. Thank you.
Thank you. And one more short question. How do you assess the work of election commissions in this particular? How do you assess the work of election commission in this particular?
I think from this polling station, I see there is a good level of organization, good space, good environment, well gazetted polling area. I think this was good work done in selecting this particular polling station. I look forward to seeing what's on other polling stations.
Thank you.